Hey everybody, Chris here with another Proto Tech tip, and who doesn't love update videos? So for today, I want to walk you through some exciting new updates that we've just made into our My Account portal. They're designed with speed and convenience in mind. So let's get into it. The My Account portal is a really handy tool that you can access at any time that allows you to conveniently manage your orders. Inside this portal, you're able to submit reorders of previous jobs, release blanket orders, check the status of current orders, as well as approve e-drawings before your designs get sent into production. Managing your orders should be straightforward and efficient. That's why we've introduced some new features in My Account to make managing these orders as effortless as possible. Remember, our mission is to make working with us super easy and as hassle-free as possible. You need parts made quickly to your exact specifications in the quantity that you require, we're here for you. You want to manage those orders and future projects seamlessly? We've got you covered there too. So let's dive into some new features that we just recently added into the My Account portal. First, we're going to want to log in and get two-factor authenticated. So for the first update, we want to say goodbye to toggling between screens to find your orders. We have updated the portal so that you can now search for all of your orders from one single screen. It's all about saving you time and keeping things simple and organized. There are also a number of attributes that you can search by, including reference name, PO number, technical contact, and job number. So now staying on the search screen, we've also made identifying your jobs inside that search screen even easier. If you notice on the search screen, you will now see blue, orange, and green circles. Blue will represent reorders, orange will represent blanket orders, and green will represent Protocase designer orders. If you're just looking to specifically search for one job type in particular, you could simply filter your search results to only show one or the other by clicking the checkbox above the search results. A quick glance is all it's going to take to stay organized going forward. Next, we want to touch on something that I think most users are going to appreciate, and that's a simple one-click shopping cart. Speed is super important, and with our shopping cart feature, you can breeze through checkout faster than before by simply clicking Add to Cart. Once you're finished, you can click Ready to Checkout to proceed. It's all about making your experience as smooth as possible. And also, speaking on a good experience, you also have the ability to add multiple jobs across different job types into your shopping cart at the same time, which can significantly speed up the process of planning ahead. Lastly, and this is super important for purchasers, managers, or just anybody who likes to plan ahead, you can now create a quote or purchase requisition directly inside the My Account portal. This new functionality ensures that you have all the details you need at your fingertips. After clicking on Ready to Checkout, you'll be sent to a screen that gives you a breakdown of pricing, lead times, and payment information. Then if you click on Create a Quote Purchase Requisition, it will send a more detailed breakdown of the order to your email, and you can also find those quotes in the quote section of your My Account portal. So these new updates follow in the footsteps of other features that have been added previously. We have other tech tips covering two-factor authentication, how to approve e-drawings, and the convenient inbox that includes customizable notifications. So if you haven't registered for My Account yet, now's the perfect time. So at Protocase, we are committed to making your experience better, whether it's designing and manufacturing sheet metal and machine parts or enclosures, or managing those orders. We're going to be here with you every step of the way. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you again next week.